So, what happened with the Fed meeting? If you have been following the news a little bit, you have seen that actually prior to that Fed meeting, stocks have been doing quite well. Crypto did quite well. I mentioned this in yesterday's video. And then in the Fed meeting, as expected, not many surprises. Quite straightforward. Yeah, we're gonna taper. We're gonna reduce the purchasing of assets. At the same time, there will be interest rates. And what happened? As soon as the meeting was over, initially there was still a little bit uncertainty. Prices kept rising. I think stocks were up almost 4% at a point. Crypto was 38,000, and then suddenly everything started going down. So what happened? How was this possible? Well, I think three reasons. Two reasons apply to both markets, traditional and crypto. One, I think, is mainly the crypto market. Very first reason, I think the Fed wasn't affirmative enough. The markets hate uncertainty. They want to have clarity. They want to know on this day this happens, then this happens, then this happens. And to me, the Fed was a bit, yeah, we're going to see, but it was not concrete enough. And investors hate nothing more than uncertainty. And I think that is where a lot of the pessimism then came in. Second reason was, well, obviously, some people had a lot of hopium. They hoped that the Fed would come out and say, oh my goodness, markets are down 10, 12, 13%. We can't let this continue. It was just a bluff. And as I mentioned, I think the Fed is looking at this and says, wow, system is super healthy. Doesn't matter if crypto's down 30%. Doesn't matter if tech is down 10, 20%. Who cares? The markets are up massively. Traditional markets are absolutely stable. There's enough liquidity market. We can go ahead. So yeah, and I think with both of those kind of cases, that's where a lot of the pessimism then came from. Obviously, the third reason, and that mainly affects crypto, is, in my opinion, that there was a bit of a manipulation once again. I think especially prior to the Fed meeting, volume relatively low. And to me, this looks a bit more as if someone was, well, slowly raising the market. And then this Fed meeting, there's this volume spike, whoop, and it kind of pushes everything down. We see this actually a lot in crypto, so it's easily possible that someone makes counter positions as put options or short, like for example, leveraged short positions, and then drives the market down, and the other side basically covers for the losses in the other trade. So yeah, but summarizing, no surprises. I think everything is really aligned here. Next meeting, I think, is in March or something. So yeah, I'm not expecting much to an upward kind of incentive at the moment. Again, quick summary. I think the Fed for now, rather hawkish, so rather on the cautious side. I don't see this as a trend change for now. Obviously, the Ukraine topic, still a bit of a bearish possibility. I see those kind of things looming a bit on the price pressure. We still have the possibility that a larger kind of fund comes in. Maybe Tether also has to start buying Bitcoins. Mentioned this a couple of times. Spot ETF, I mean, the ARK, K, the flagship fund, their ETF has been delayed as well to April. Again, I'm not expecting too much out of this. So, yeah, shaking a bit of my, where's it? Crystal Ball 3000 upgraded version. Crystal Ball, what are you telling me? Well, I think same for now over the next couple of weeks. So I would be very surprised if we see anything much different. But let's see. Fantastic times to get into the market, dollar cost average in. Obviously, fantastic times to get cash flow on your crypto. So if you haven't checked out my company, Cake DeFi, check it out. Link is down below. And yeah, get cash flow on your crypto. Great times with that. So hey, all the best. Stay safe, stay healthy. Good decision making. I hope you subscribe, like, share, retweet, whatever. And then I'll see you next time. Thanks so much. Yours truly, Julian. Bye-bye.